Hey everyone, it's Kathy here. Welcome back to my video, or welcome back to my channel. Anyways, today's video is very unexpected. I was thinking like 2 nights ago that I'm kind of sick of my room layout. I've been having this room layout for, I want to say for literally since the beginning of time, since the beginning of this YouTube channel, or when I started doing YouTube, which was when I was 13. Room layout right now. I set up the diagram and I'm gonna move it all by myself. This is kind of like a little impromptu. I'm not wearing anything cute. I know I'm gonna be doing this by myself, so I'm wearing this airy bralette. It's super comfy. Just wanted to wear something lightweight. I'm also wearing these shorts. Anyway, I don't want this intro to be long. Let's get started. Okay, my room is literally a mess. I need to just fold up all my blankets, put everything away in its rightful place, and then we can start rearranging. It's gonna be a hectic day. We'll go from there. I'll be right back when all of this is cleaned up. Okay, so I cleaned up everything that I need to clean up. As you can see, I put all my blankets here because I'm gonna start on this side of the room. What we're gonna do, I'm gonna start off by clearing out my mattress, putting it in the hallway. My dad's gonna be like, what are you doing? My mom knows, don't worry. And plus, it's my room and I'm not asking for help. So, let's do it. Okay, I'm just gonna say this now. This video is gonna be a lot of B-roll footage.
Somehow I woke up out in Beverly, fucked up, smelling like that bourbon, and I end up alone.
I just want to lay down now. I can't.
I'm not certain. Yeah, the girls impolite in the club every night.
So I'm just gonna clear everything that's under my bed. I need to switch over and move those shelves, everything here, out of my room. Great.
That's how it goes when you Hollywood perfect. Hollywood perfect.
My protective shoes as I attempt to move my bed frame. Wish me luck. I made a vital mistake. I need to place my bedside table there. Also, here's a donate / like store pile, so I have to figure out what to do with some of these because it's like this stuff isn't just mine, it's like me and my siblings. So yeah. Okay, since my bed is like low to the floor, I don't really have that much space under my bed. I'm just gonna leave it here. This is all like my jewelry making / scrapbooking material, and then this is like the slippers I use in the winter time, and then those are my yearbooks. I rarely pick them out, so I just decided like it would be good just to put it under my bed. I might go under my shelves over these shelves again, but I think I'm pretty much done with. It's really loud. This is how my room is looking. I have the trash pile, my mattress, my mirror, and this is gonna be hard, man. I set up my phone to record me putting these wood things, as you guys can see, on my bed. Oh my god, Louis. And I forgot to hit the record button. And Louis barking. These were bitches to put back on. Bitches, I tell you. I think I'm gonna work on my altar first, aka the stuff on my bedside table. I need to figure out the rest of the room. That's great. It's great.
That's how it goes when you Hollywood perfect.
It only took 3 hours, but she's officially done, and honestly it looks so weird. I don't know if it's just like because it's like a new room. I need to organize the back of my door as well. Definitely I'm gonna tackle organizing both closets another day, but this, I don't know, it kind of looks weird, but I really like it, so I'll show you guys my new room. And this is her. Oh my god. So when you walk in, you see my mirror. I feel like this like is the best place to put my mirror. So literally as I walk out the door, I could do like one more fit check, and here it is. And then I also have like everything that I need for exercising, as like the massager, weights, yoga mat, and my closet is here as well. It is a mess in there, so I just think this works way better Then you turn around and there's my clothing rack, just with like all the essential jackets and such, something I could grab on the way out. Ignore this, I'm doing one more like little vacuum sesh and then I'll be good with my room. And then here is kind of a mess right now. This is my little reading nook. The lights flicker and yeah. What I like about this is literally you open it up. It's a mess, but there's storage under. And I usually like read, color, or relax on that chair. Then you do a little turnaround. This is where I'm just gonna put the books I'm currently reading or like anything new that I just bought. My dog toys. And then this is a great tray. I was gonna buy a tray for crystal charging, but I found this while cleaning. So I'm like, okay, perfect. And there's my bed. I'm about to shower. That's my change of clothes. My bed is now here and I just feel like this is just so much more space. Of course, I have my altar, own tripod. And then you do more turns. We have my little PC little setup. And I have like all my perfumes behind there. The desk is not big enough for both my computers, but on my Mac, I usually watch movies anyway. So this works out better that my Mac is here. So I could just lay in bed and watch a movie. I just have the keyboard tucked in. Then right here, this is my favorite section that I added. I have like a little globe / currently reading is a little fridge and then to finish it all off, we have my little vanity area. Yeah, guys, oh my god, also I added flowers to the little vine leaves. I think they're so cute. And yeah, I think it'll just work way better for when I fall asleep. It's gonna be weird falling asleep like this, but I actually really love my room. It only took 3 hours, but now we're gonna shower and yeah. I feel gross, but I really need a shower. Hey guys, so it has been a week since I filmed that video and rearranging my room. And yeah, it's been like really weird how my room is, but I have grown to love it. I feel like it definitely works out better for me. And I was watching the videos and there were some things that have a little bit that has changed. I'm gonna show you the little things that I have moved. It's like minor, but I want to show you guys like how it is as a little whole. So first off, here is my bed. I feel like it works out better. You guys didn't get to see it with the comforter on. Then also you guys saw the shelf was like right here. I felt like it was better under the table just because there's like room under the table. So there's that. And then I'm also trying to buy flowers every week to put on my bedside table, just a little self-care. And here is my little reading nook area. I have a Ryokuma, Baymax, Eeyore, and then this is a book I'm currently reading, guys. But yeah, I just feel like it's much cleaner. And I think that's basically all that has changed for my room. Anyway, here are like some mini vlog clips that I want to remember from this past week. So roll the clips. He's exploring. Mocha. Ow.
So sad inside and hopeless. These Hollywood hoes never notice.
And with that, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, you give this video a thumbs up. Comment down below what video comment down below what video you guys want to see. I'm definitely open to do any video for you guys. These are the videos I've been enjoying. Anyways, guys, if you haven't subscribed already, hi, I'm Kathy. I post videos every Sunday. You should definitely subscribe down below and click on the notification bell to be notified when I upload. Anyways, guys, I love you guys very much. Check out my Instagram, Depop, TikTok, and all that fun jazz. The socials will be on the screen probably right now. Anyways, I love you guys very much, and I'll talk to you guys next week for a brand new video. Peace and love. Bye.
That's how it goes when